doing something a little bit different. I get tons and tons and tons of messages on Instagram saying, hey, are you gonna pick up this product? I want to see if you're gonna get it because I wanted to know if you're gonna review it before I buy it, da 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 da. So I know that there is a YouTuber named Samantha March. I really like her channel. I will link it in the description box down below. She created a series called Will I Buy It? I thought that might be a nice way for me to let you guys know. I might do it like maybe once or twice a month, just to let you guys know what products I'm going to be picking up and reviewing. I will probably do this as a series, but I got to figure out exactly where I will put it in the schedule, just so that you guys will know that. The certain week of the month, I'm going to be giving you guys this information. So this is just the beginning. We'll see where it takes us from the scheduling and all that. I'm going to be getting all of my information from Trendmood. I don't know if you guys follow Trendmood on Instagram. I will pop that in the description box down below as well. I love Trendmood, and that is where I pretty much get all of my information on all of the new releases. That is where I'm pulling all the images from, is from Trendmood. So let's just get into what I'm going to buy and what I'm going to pass on. The first product is this Kylie Cosmetics collection. This is the Summer 2018 collection. And I did buy the palette, but I didn't buy anything else with that collection. I will definitely be reviewing it for you guys. Next collection, this one I'm actually really excited about because I love Sarah IE. I don't know how to pronounce her name in that like really pretty Spanish way, but I really like her. Her name's Karen. She's a YouTuber. She does beautiful looks on Instagram, and she did a collaboration with Dose of Colors. In this collection, there's an eyeshadow palette, 2 highlighters, 4 matte lippies, and 2 glosses. So for me, I'm probably going to pick up the palette, 1 of the highlighters, and probably 2 of the matte lippies. I think that's probably all I'm going to get out of that collection. The next product is from IT Cosmetics. This is their new oil-free matte formula foundation. I don't know that I'm going to review this formula just because it's super matte. And you know, if you guys watch my channel all the time, you know that I don't really like matte formulas. So I might pass on this, but I might not. This is kind of up in the air. If you guys want me to review this foundation, let me know in the comments down below, because if there's something that I don't know that I'm going to do, if you guys want me to do it, I will 100% do it. So I'm kind of on the fence about this one. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see the review on that foundation. The next one is another foundation from NYX. Now they collaborated with Alyssa Ashley to create this. Look at those shades, you guys. I don't see any orange shades in there, do you? Those shades are absolutely amazing. There are 45 different shades in this collection. It is a full coverage. It's called the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Now I know this is a matte formula, but I will definitely be reviewing this just because I think I've heard that it's kind of a natural matte and it's not just like a full matte. So I'm definitely going to be testing it out because I do like a natural matte. I love that Alyssa Ashley worked with NYX to create all these shade ranges because this is in the drugstore. That means that everybody can afford this brand, and there's a shade for everyone. So in my opinion, it's inclusive for everybody, and I'm absolutely, definitely going to be reviewing that. Now this product is Becca's new Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer. Now if you guys watched my foundation series back in May, I did go ahead and review that foundation, and I actually really like that foundation. It lasts for hours and hours and hours and hours. They have created a concealer. It's a water-resistant full coverage concealer that instantly camouflages under eye dark circles, blemishes, discoloration while smoothing the skin's texture. And supposedly it's a satin finish. So I'm definitely excited to test out that concealer, and I think it's awesome. Okay, this product is from Buxom. So this is their Pillow Pout Creamy Plumping Lip Powder. They come in 10 different shades. They're $22 each. I will probably be testing out one of them. I'm not gonna buy like a ton of them, but I think I might test out 1 or 2 just to see how it works. Laura Lee used these the other day in her video, and she said that they were super pigmented. So I'm thinking about buying them. I don't know. That's kind of on the fence. I think if I do, I'll probably buy just like 1 or 2 shades. So the next one is from Natasha Denona. She came out with a new mini This is more in the purples tones. It's called Lila, and I don't know that I'm going to be picking up this palette. I think the shades are very pretty. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want me to review that. That's another product that I don't really know that I want, but if you guys want it and you guys want to see how I feel about it, I will definitely pick it up and review it for you guys. So let me know about that one too, because it doesn't instantly attract me, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, the next one is from Line Crime. They are extending their plushies line. This time it's for the eyes. These are mini eyeshadow palettes, and they are sheer pressed pigment quads. Each have 4 shades. Now, I haven't bought from Line Crime since all that craziness happened, all that scandal. If you guys don't know about that, all you have to do is just type in the search column of YouTube, type in Line Crime, and it will pull up everything you need to know. I'm kind of over it. I don't know why. I'm just kind of over the whole Line Crime thing. I never really liked their makeup in the very beginning anyway, and when all that happened and everybody's credit cards, and she was just so nonchalant about it, I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I think I'm going to pass on this. The next one is from Ofra. This is their new highlighter palette. It is $49 for 4 different shades. I do think those shades are absolutely beautiful. I think it's pretty expensive, and I think it's very pretty, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to pick up this palette. Now, if it was like 30 bucks, I would probably pick it up, but 50, yeah, probably not. The next one is another concealer. Cover FX is bringing out a Power Play concealer. Now, I did go ahead and review the Cover FX Power Play foundation, and I'm really excited to test out this concealer because they claim it's completely crease proof. It's full coverage, high performance, $30 for 0.33 ounces. I'm pretty excited to test it out. I will definitely be testing out that concealer. The next one is from Beauty Blender. They are bringing out their new foundation. Now, don't get me wrong. I think that the packaging is innovative. I think they have done such a phenomenal job creating that little case, the way that it tips like that, and then you can just put your little Beauty Blender egg right down in there and pick up the product. I really think that the packaging is genius. I want to test it out, but I'm going to wait to see how the company handles it. And 2, I want to see if those bottom row shades are orange. If they're not orange and they do look like it's somewhat of a decent shade range, I might do it. But the bottom line is, the way that it stands right now, I don't want to review it. Okay, the next one is from Laura Lee Los Angeles. She brought out 2 palettes. One is Like a Boss, and that is more of the nude with the orange side. And then Party Animal, which is more of the neon greens. These are $19 each, or you can get them for $30 together. Now, this is already launched, and they sold out, and I did not pick them up. I just kind of felt like it was not really my thing, and I do love the Nudie Patootie palette, and I use it all the time. But these 2 are just not my thing. So I'm going to go ahead and pass on that one. Now, the next one is probably the one that I'm most excited about everything I'm talking about today. This is my favorite. This one is from KKW Beauty. Now, personally, if I was going to create my own eyeshadow palette, that is exactly how it would look. Those shades, those peachy, like rustic, burnt peachy shades, oh my gosh, I wanted to cry when I seen that. Those shades are gorgeous. I'm so excited. I want the entire set. I want all 4 of the lippies because they're that peach. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I love a beautiful peach. I love a peach on the eye. I love a peach on the lip. I love it on the cheek. Absolutely obsessed. I'm going to try to buy the entire set because I am obsessed. I do love the KKW Beauty eyeshadow formula. I love the lip formula. I love the lip liners. So for me, it's not a waste. For me, I would use all of them and love them. So I think that's probably why I have decided I would probably buy the entire set. Okay, the next set, Jaclyn Hill and Morphe have teamed up again, and they were going to release The Vault. Now, The Vault actually, like, they sent out all the PR and all of these YouTubers were reviewing it, and there was a lot of inconsistencies with some of the reviews. So Jaclyn Hill and Morphe got together, and Morphe made a critical decision to pull them before the launch. It was like a couple of days before they launched, they pulled them all and said, we're not launching, the formula's not right, there are inconsistencies, and we want to know what's going on. So supposedly they have really worked hard to recreate these palettes and try to make that formula amazing. Now, I personally love the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. So for me, I was very excited about this Vault collection. I know a lot of people don't like Morphe, but for me, it says a lot about Morphe. They lost millions of dollars doing that. And I can, from a business perspective, that was major for them to go ahead and pull that collection and throw all of those palettes away. I applaud them, and I really hope that the new batch is the right formula, and I really hope that is a very successful launch. But I absolutely, totally, 100%, I'm going to be buying this entire vault. They are $15 each per palette, or you can get the entire set for $49. Definitely buying the entire set. Okay, so this next item, this is Kathleen Lights. She is going to be teaming up with ColourPop once again. So it looks like in this collection, there is a eyeshadow palette with 12 shadows. There are 2 Luxe lipsticks. There are 2 highlighters, and there are 2 Supernova shadows. So that's a pretty fun little collaboration. I'm very, very excited about it, and I will definitely be buying these. Now, I don't particularly like the ColourPop Supernova eyeshadows. Those are the liquid eyeshadows, kind of like the Stila Glitter and Glows. They have really never worked for me. I think they're like $7 a piece. By the end of the day, they're like a real crusty, cracky mess. But I will probably try to buy the entire kit. It just depends on if they allow, you know, to buy a full kit. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be picking that up. Very excited about it. And congratulations, Kathleen. That's pretty awesome. Okay, the next product is from Huda Beauty. And I will not be picking this up from Huda Beauty. The next one I have here is from Zoeva Cosmetics. This is their ICI palette, which is super beautiful. I won't be picking up this palette only because the shades, I think the palette itself is absolutely beautiful, but the shades, I have those shades in so many different palettes that I don't think I'm going to be picking up that one. The next one I have is from Hourglass. Now, you guys know that I am all about Hourglass. It is my favorite makeup brand. These are their new glitter eyeshadows. Those shades are absolutely beautiful, and I will definitely be picking them up. I know, I will be. Hello. I love the shade Foil, and I love the shade Smoke. I love the shade Aurora. Hell, I like all of them. I think they're pretty, but I will definitely be picking one up, and I will definitely let you know how they work. Okay, the next one I have here is from BH Cosmetics. This is their new Desert Oasis palette. I think that palette is absolutely beautiful, and I've already bought it. It is on the way. It hasn't arrived yet, but it's on its way. BH Cosmetics, I really like them. I think they're amazing. They're affordable. I will definitely be reviewing that palette and letting you guys know how it works, but I think it's a beautiful palette, and I'm very excited about it. Okay, the next one is from Milani. Now, they are launching 2 new palettes. One is Soft and Sultry, and one is Pure Passion. I am not a fan of the Milani palettes. I think they're always so beautiful, but I always struggle with applying them. I get some fallout, they're muddy, they're sticky. I have to work hard. Milani palettes just frustrate me, and I am not a super huge fan of the formula. But again, that is a personal thing. If you love Milani, I think these palettes are absolutely beautiful, and you could create such gorgeous looks with them. For me, the formula doesn't work well with my technique. But again, we all have different techniques, and Milani palettes are very hard for me. I hope that this helped you guys to know what I'm going to be reviewing, what I'm going to be picking up, and what you are going to see on my channel in the near future. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you guys want to see more like this, and you do want me to kind of create this into a series, let me know by liking it and let me know in the comments down below. I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys again for all the love and the support. It really means a lot to me, and I am so excited about that KKW Beauty collection, you guys. I'm like dreaming about it. I'm dreaming about putting those shades on my eyes. Oh, I gotta get it out of my mind. Oh, so pretty. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week filled with love, happiness, and joy. I love you guys so much. Bye.